Hello, and welcome to Wednesday, day 3, January 6th. It is Wednesday. That means it's an async day. We will not meet together in class on Zoom. Let's see what we have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click async. You have a Google assignment to do. You are going to open this document and you will make all of the capitalization corrections. And when you're done, you will click submit. Your second async assignment is a Nearpod. You will do a Nearpod lesson on capitalization. You know how to do a Nearpod, so you don't need the directions on how to do it. Good job. And that's it for the assignments. Just a reminder, our writing test is tomorrow, but I will be available tonight from 6 to 7 p.m. if you want more practice or if you have questions. All right, you have to be there to take the test on tomorrow. If you are unable to take the test, you need to let me know as soon as possible. All right, good luck.